Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is the friendly neighborhood tarot reader Ankan. I hope you are doing well. This is the monthly reading for Aries or Mesh Rashi for the month of October 2025. This is a general reading based on collective energy, so it may or may not resonate with you. If it doesn't resonate with you, you can check out the reading for your other signs. If you don't know how to check your other signs, you can check out my previous video on zodiac signs. Link is in the description below. Also, to stick to the end of the video to know your monthly oracle guidance card for this month. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so that you can get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. So let's get on with the reading for Aries or Mesh Rashi for the month of October 2025. Sun, Moon, Rising. Well, lots of cups for you, Aries, this month. More cups coming. I feel like this is going to be a love reading for you for some reason. But yeah, let's look at the cards. Now, for the theme of your month, you do get the Seven of Cups. So, a lot of opportunities, a lot of options are going to come into your life this month. A lot of things are going to reveal itself in front of you, and you might feel a bit overwhelmed. आपको थोड़ा confusion हो सकता है, थोड़ा डर लग सकता है, डर लग सकता है कि अचानक से इतने सारे options आ गए मेरे सामने और मेरे को कौन सा choose करना है, मुझे पता नहीं. So there is a sense of getting overwhelmed, but definitely you're gonna get a lot of options and opportunities this month. It's a good energy, it's a positive energy. The thing that you should keep in mind, you will have to make a decision. Obviously you will have to choose, but choose wisely, because all the options won't be good, won't be what it looks to be, what it seems to be. आपको लगेगा कि ये एक चीज़ है, बट पीठ पीछे वो दूसरा कुछ हो सकता है, नेगेटिव चीज़ हो सकता है. तो थोड़ा सोच समझ के डिसीजन लीजिएगा. Now the energy that surrounds you this month is the Three of Cups. Again, a very positive energy, a very fulfilling, very soulful, bonding kind of energy. I feel like कि बहुत opportunities या options जो आपके सामने आएंगे ये month, whatever is going to come, opportunities, so most of it will come from your circle, your friend circle, could be your siblings. So आपको उस point of view से, वो area of life से आपके पास बहुत ज़्यादा opportunities आने के chances है. और दूसरा और एक scenario जो है, this will be for some of you, कि you will get a lot of options to involve yourself in various social circles. होता है ना कि अचानक से people start showing interest in you, they want to include you in their circle. So ऐसे आपके पास काफ़ी सारे invitations या बुलावा आएगा कि come join us, be a part of this, be a part of our group and all. So again, be careful of which group or team you want to join, because like I said, not every group will be for the better. Now moving on to the other cards for your career and finances. I see you working diligently, working hard. आप हार्ड वर्क कर रहे हैं, आप एफर्ट्स दे रहे हैं आपके वर्क पे. अगर आप स्टूडेंट है तो आप पढ़ाई में बहुत ज़्यादा ध्यान दे रहे हैं, बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम दे रहे हैं आपके स्टडीज़ पे, विच इज़ गुड. And the more hard work doesn't have an alternative, so the more work you put in, the more efforts you put in, you're definitely gonna get good results in the long run. Also, for many of you, I see you guys working towards a goal, working towards attaining more financial stability, attaining more ways to earn. And I also see many of you trying to uplift, upskill yourself. आप अपना खुद का जो स्किल डेवलपमेंट है उस पर फोकस कर रहे हैं, विच इज़ अगेन अ वेरी पॉजिटिव थिंग. So work and finance related good energies through and through. Now, for your love and relationship, again a very good energy. You get the Page of Cups. So I see uh, there could be a person coming into your life, and I also see that you might feel intrigued to explore new areas in love. You might start to think about like you may start to go into dating again, or you may want to approach a person again. For some of you, this could also mean that you might be getting a proposal, or if you were planning to propose to someone, I see that happening this month. Also, pregnancy for some of you folks. If you're married, I see a new beginning in exploring new areas in your marriage, so that you can develop the marriage, so that you can build the marriage more better, like wisely, and get more out of the marriage. But yeah, overall there is a very good energy, love and romance wise, through and through. Now, when it comes to your health, I feel like you are not paying attention to your health. For some reason, you seem to be very disinterested in something related to your health. You feel like you feel I don't see you putting much effort into your health this month, and I highly recommend you to take care of your health this month. I won't say this as negative energy, but you are not paying attention to your health, so you definitely need to focus towards your improvement of your health. And like there is this energy, you feel like whatever I'm gonna put into my health, it's not gonna yield any good results. So from that perspective, you feel very disconnected, you feel very disinterested in your health related things. You don't wanna give in effort into that, but the universe is kind of suggesting you to basically do that exactly, to take care of your health, to focus more on your health, because there are certain new things that you are not aware of currently related to your health. New opportunities are on the horizon that you can explore to improve your health, that will give you good results in the long run. You just need to shift your focus towards that a bit, and these opportunities will reveal itself to you. Now, the other energies that is there, I see you not taking much action this month. Okay, you are planning, you are trying to understand a lot of things, but you are not taking much action, which isn't really a very negative kind of thing. But yeah, you are kind of taking things slow this month, especially in kind of finances and career. But yeah, you are taking things slow this month in certain sectors of your life. Also, I feel like, see, this, like I said, romance and relationship wise, new things are gonna come in your life. But the cards kind of show me that you have had to go through a lot, and like पास्ट में काफ़ी चीज़ें हुए होंगे आपके लव एंड रिलेशनशिप रिलेटेड में चीज़ों में, कि आप अभी ना बहुत ज़्यादा डिफेंसिव है वो चीज़ को लेके, आप एक्सप्लोर नहीं करना चाहते, आप यू आर लाइक स्केयर्ड एंड काइंड ऑफ फियरफुल टू एक्सप्लोर न्यू अपॉर्चुनिटीज. लाइक सपोज आपको कोई अप्रोच कर रहा है ये मंथ, एंड you may feel differently about this person. You may feel genuinely towards this person, but still that past thing is going to kind of block you, kind of not allow you to take action towards it. क्योंकि देखिए आपके पास 3 कार्ड्स है, ठीक है, and all of them suggest you not taking any action. You get the Knight of Pentacles, you get the the 9 of Wands, and you get the 3 of Wands. So all 3 of these cards kind of suggest that you are not willing to take action. You are very defensive. You are just planning, plotting, ये करूँ, वो करूँ, ये करने से ये होगा, वो करने से वो होगा. You are just a lot of overthinking, I would say. So action तो आप नहीं ले रहे हैं ये month, and इतना भी planning, plotting अच्छा नहीं है. A little bit of planning, a little bit of thinking things through and judging things is fine, but इतना भी आप डीपली अगर चीज़ों को प्लान करने की कोशिश करेंगे तो वो मोमेंट चला जाता है. सो यू नीड टू ग्रैब थिंग्स एट द मोमेंट एंड लेट्स सर्टेन थिंग्स. सो या आप बहुत ज़्यादा ओवरथिंक कर रहे हैं ये मंथ. So that is the reason, the energy that you should focus upon, and the advice card basically for you. You get the Knight of Swords, so the universe is asking you to take action. कुछ चीज़ों में आप थोड़ा इम्पल्सिवली भी हो तो आप एक्शन ले लीजिए. आपका आपका दिल जो चाह रहा है ना वो चीज़ को फॉलो कीजिए. फॉलो योर हार्ट, फॉलो योर पैशन, बट यू डेफिनेटली नीड टू टेक एक्शन दिस मंथ. दिस इज अ वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग कार्ड फॉर यू दिस मंथ, द एडवाइस कार्ड, एंड द यूनिवर्स इज काइंड ऑफ सजेस्टिंग यू टू टेक दैट ओनली. टेक एक्शन, टेक फास्ट एक्शन. अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ नहीं तो निकल जाएंगे हाथ से, क्योंकि सी अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ आपके पास बहुत ज़्यादा आ रहे हैं ये मंथ. एज अ थीम ऑफ द कार्ड वी डू गेट 7 ऑफ कप्स. सो अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ तो बहुत ज़्यादा आ रहे हैं, बट इफ यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू टेक एक्शन, दिस अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ आर गोइंग टू गो अवे एंड you will lose the moment. So yeah, it is good energies, but yeah, you need to focus on your health, and you also need to take action this month. Highly recommended to take action this month. So now let's look at what messages or advice is coming for you from the oracle cards this month. You get extraordinary. So there's a wild and impetuous uniqueness to you that deserves to be honored. See, like I told you, there is a uniqueness, there is a wild side to yourself that you are not focusing on. You are kind of blindsided to it, you are ignoring it, your true natural self, the true wild self of yourself. And this is exactly what the universe is asking you to do, to honor that, to allow that to happen, to allow your natural self, your natural uniqueness to come out, so that you can take action and make things happen this month. So good energies, but yeah, you should focus really on taking action this month. So yeah, that would be all for the reading, Aries. I hope you liked the reading. If the reading resonated with you, do leave a comment to claim the reading. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, have a good day and bye.